Hello, strategic thinkers. Welcome back. Ever struggled with a messy problem where you just can't pin down user needs? That's where design thinking comes in. A human-centered approach championed by IDEO to foster empathy, creativity, and iteration. Today, we'll show how ChatGPT accelerates each stage, from listing user needs to testing a final prototype. Let's dive in. In design thinking, we typically walk through 5 stages: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. Our 8-step process here aligns well, but ChatGPT plays a role in each step, organizing user insights, suggesting 30 or more solution ideas, and summarizing feedback after each iteration. The result? Less guesswork, more focused creativity. First, we list all user or customer needs, wants, and limitations. Empathize mode. ChatGPT can help you summarize large volumes of interview transcripts and highlight recurring pain points. Next, articulate the core problem. What exactly are we trying to solve? Or, where's the biggest user frustration? ChatGPT frames your problem statement succinctly, making sure it's user-focused. Now we're in ideation, prompt 3. With ChatGPT's help, you generate a wide range of 30 solutions. It might suggest new app features, a reworked process, or even radical rethinking of your entire user experience. Next, for prompt 5, we describe a physical or virtual representation. ChatGPT helps you convert top ideas into a coherent prototype, like a digital mock-up or a concept walkthrough, so your team can visualize the future solution. Prompt 6. We gather feedback from 1,000 ideal customers. ChatGPT aggregates responses, highlighting patterns like 70% wanting more intuitive navigation or 40% complaining about cost features. Then, prompt 7. We adopt a devil's advocate stance. ChatGPT helps us see worst-case scenarios or skeptical takes, letting us refine the prototype. We repeat until a satisfactory solution emerges, bridging user concerns with practical feasibility. Finally, prompt 8. We reveal the final solution, or multiple prototypes that soared to the top after real user input and repeated refinements. Each step was fast-tracked by ChatGPT, from summarizing interviews to offering new improvement ideas. That is design thinking with an AI twist, user-centered, iterative, and thoroughly tested. Ready to harness this for your next innovation? Let me know your biggest takeaway below. If this helped, like and subscribe. And check out my book, AI-Powered Strategic Thinker 3, for a deep dive into ChatGPT across advanced problem solving. See you in the next video. Together, let's keep innovating.